Hello students, today we are going to study types of concrete. Now the different types of concretes are normal strength concrete, plain or ordinary concrete, reinforced concrete, pre-stressed concrete, precast concrete, lightweight concrete, high density concrete, ready mix concrete, high strength concrete, shotcrete and pervious concrete. Now the first one is normal strength concrete. The concrete that is obtained by mixing the basic ingredient cement, water and aggregate will give us normal strength concrete. The strength of these types of concrete will vary from 10 MPa to 40 MPa. The normal strength concrete has an initial setting time of 30 to 90 minutes that is dependent on the cement properties and the weather conditions of the construction site. Now the second one is plain concrete. The plain concrete will have no reinforcement in it. It is generally used as the base of the foundation. Now the main constituents are the cement, aggregates and water. Most commonly used mixed design is 1:2:4, which is the normal mixed design. The density of the plain concrete will vary between 2200 to 2500 kg per meter cube. The compressive strength is 200 to 500 kg per centimeter square. These types of concrete are mainly used in the construction of pavements and the building, especially in areas where there is less demand of high tensile strength. The durability given by these types of concrete is satisfactory to high extent. Now the next concrete is reinforced concrete. The reinforced cement concrete is defined as the concrete to which reinforcement is introduced to bear the tensile strength. Plain concrete is weak in tension and good in compression. Hence, the placement of reinforcement will take up the responsibility of bearing the tensile stresses. RCC works with the combined action of the plain concrete and the reinforcement. The steel reinforcement used in the concrete can be in the form of rods, bars or in the form of meshes. Next one is the fiber reinforced concrete. Fiber reinforced concrete are concrete that uses fibers, that is steel fibers, as reinforcement for the concrete. Uses of mesh in concrete will give ferro cement. Whatever be the type of reinforcement used in concrete, it is very necessary to ensure proper bond between the concrete and the reinforcement. This bond will control the strength and the durability factor of the concrete. Now next is the pre-stressed concrete. Most of the mega concrete projects are carried out through pre-stressed concrete units. This is a special technique in which the bars or the tendons used in the concrete is stressed before the actual service load application. During the mixing and the placing of the concrete, these tension bars placed firmly and held from each end of the structural unit. Once the concrete sets and hardens, the structural unit will be put in compression. The process of pre-stressing will require heavy equipment and labor skill, that is jacks and equipment for tensioning. Hence the pre-stressing units are made at site and assembled at site. These are used in the application of bridges, heavy loaded structures and roof with longer span, that is shown here. Now next is the precast concrete. Various structural elements can be made and cast in the factory as per the specification and brought to the site at the time of assembly. Such concrete units are called as the precast concrete. The example of precast concrete units are concrete blocks, the staircase units, precast walls and poles, concrete lintels and many other elements. These units have the advantage of acquiring speedy construction as only assemblage is necessary. As the manufacturing is done at site, quality is assured. The only precaution taken is for their transportation. Now precast concrete is shown here. Now the next one is the lightweight concrete. Concrete that have a density lesser than 1920 kg per meter cube will be categorized as lightweight concrete. The use of lightweight aggregates in concrete design will give us lightweight aggregates. Aggregates are the important element that contribute to the density of the concrete. The examples of lightweight aggregates are the pumice, perlites and scoria. The lightweight concrete is applied for the protection of the steel structures and are also used for the construction of the long span bridge decks. These are also used for the construction of the building blocks. Here a lightweight concrete is shown. Now next one is the ready mix concrete. The concrete that mix and batch in a central mixing plant is called as ready mix concrete or RMC. The mixed concrete is brought to the site with the help of a truck mounted transit mixer. This, once reached in the site, can be used directly without any further treatment. The ready mix concrete is very precise, and especially concrete can be developed based on this specification with utmost quality. The manufacture of this concrete will require a centralized mixing plant. These plants will be located at an adjustable distance from the construction site. If the transportation is too long, then it will result in setting of concrete. Such issues of time delay are cope up with the use of retarding agents that delays the setting. Now next is the self-consolidated concrete. The concrete mix when placed will compact by its own weight is regarded as self-consolidated concrete. No vibration must be provided for the same separately. This mix has a higher workability. The slump value will be between 650 and 750. This concrete, due to its higher workability, is also called as flowing concrete. The area where there is thick reinforcement, self-consolidating concrete works best. Now next is the shotcrete concrete. Here the concrete type differs in the way it is applied on the area to be cast. The concrete is shot into the frame or the prepared structural formwork with the help of a nozzle. As the shooting is carried out in a higher air pressure, the placing and the compaction process will be occurring at the same time. Now the next is the pumped concrete. One of the main property of the concrete used in large mega construction, especially for the high-rise construction, is the conveyance of the concrete to heights. Hence, one such property of concrete to easily pump will result in the design of pumpable concrete. The concrete that is used for pumping must be of adequate workability so that it is easily conveyed through the pipe. The pipe used will be rigid or a flexible hose that will discharge the concrete to the desired area. That is all about the types of concrete. Thank you very much, students.